In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Among Us for totally free. And yeah, let's get started right away. So what you want to do is you want to download bluestacks.com. So we're going to the search bar and hit bluestacks.com. And what this is this is basically an emulator of an Android tablet or phone. And you want to install this. So when we hit install, and because it's an emulator, and you can basically download any Android app. So because Among Us is free on your phone, that means that it is free on here as well, because you will download it from the Play Store. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys right now how to do all that once this is installed. It's very straightforward. You just have to click on install and it will do everything for you automatically. So let's wait for that. Once everything is installed, you will end up on this, sort of on the app, and you want to hit sign in, and you want to sign into your Gmail address, so your Google account. Hit sign in. Once you've signed in into your account, you will end up on the Google Play Store. And from here on out, you want to go to the search bar and search for the app Among Us. And if you search for it, you can see that it's for free, and just hit install and click continue. Then you can skip this, and this will just install Among Us for you. And as you can see, it has already been installed, so we can just click on open, and this will show up as well. It says how to play. Click here to learn how to play, and your game guide. Click here for the game controls and much more. And it will basically explain to you how everything will work, and just accept all of this. And as you can see, you're in the Among Us app right here. You can also go to full screen mode, and as you can see, this is basically Among Us. So when we go to, let's say, free play, and go to a map, and it still looks like the Android version. So the joystick is right here. You can move that with your mouse, but it also says WADS, and that means you can just move around like this with your keyboard. And if you hit space, that will use it. You can also just click on it yourself. You can click on the map. You can also hit tab to get to the map, and that, it basically is the exact same as the Among Us app on your computer, but for totally free. So you can just go to use and then just do your task, and it is the exact same as you already know. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.